Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a beginner wanting to dive into the world of web development, you are in the right place. Today in this video, we are going to cover the basics of HTML in this video. That's right, by the end of the video, you will be able to create the structure of simple web page. So grab your coffee, sit tight and let's jump right into it. First thing is, what exactly is HTML? Well, HTML is the backbone of any website. It's the language that tells you how browser display the content, such as text, images, links, and more things. Think of it as a skeleton of your website. Without it, the web would not know how to structure or represent content. Let's break down the basics of an HTML document. Every HTML page starts with a doctype HTML declaration. This simply tells the browser that it's an HTML5 document. Following that, we have our HTML tag which wrapped around the entire content of the page. Inside we have two main sections, head and body section. The first head section contains meta information like the title of the page, links to style sheets, and other important info for search engines. And second body section is where all the visible content goes like text, images, and buttons. Now that we have the structure, let's add some content. First up, headings and paragraphs. In HTML we use heading tags from H1 to H6 to represent different level of headings. That H1 is the most important heading, usually for the title of the page, while H6 is the least important, and for regular text we use the P tag for paragraph. Using these tags, you can easily organize your content and make it readable for both user and search engines. Next, let's make our web page more interactive by adding links and images. For a hyperlink, we use the anchor tag with an href attribute. This is what creates clickable links on your web page. We use the image tag with the src attribute that tells the browser where to find the image. Always remember to add an alt attribute to your image. This is super important for accessibility and SEO, as it helps a search engine and usually impaired user understand the content of the image. Now let's move on to the list. We have two main types. First one is ordered list, which use numbers created with OL tag, and second one is unordered list, which use bullet points created with the UL tag. And 4 is list item. Lists are great for organizing information like navigation menus, to-do list, or just breaking up content into manageable chunks. Want to display data in a structured format? Let's talk about tables. Tables are created using the table tag, and inside that we have tr for table rows, th for table headers, and td for table data. With tables, you can easily create layouts for displaying structured data. Finally, let's look at forms. Forms allow user to input data that gets sent to the server. To create a form, we use the form tag along with different input fields like text, email, and submit button. Forms are essential for user interaction, whether it's for signing up for a newsletter or submitting a contact form. And that's it, you have just learned the basics of HTML, from heading and paragraphs to images, links, lists, tables, and forms. These are the building blocks of every website out there. If you want to take things further, be sure to check out my upcoming videos where we will dive into CSS and JavaScript to bring these HTML pages to life with styling and interactivity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more web development tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any question or suggestions for further videos. See you in the next one.